Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travers with Sharma.
Space girl, I saw a lunar eclipse.
Finally, it feels amazing to be back on record mode. So you guys are already aware that I have been sick for the past month of October. But you know what irritated me the most in this month is my struggle with period flow. I was so disturbed because of that and I was like, I have to find a solution. And guess what? I was just scrolling my Insta when I came across this brand called Mahina. Then I got to know that Mahina is an Indian brand made by women and for the women. So the brand Mahina mainly came up with an innovative solution for your period. They provide a period underwear which is eco-friendly and they focus on providing you comfortable experience even during your period. But what really amazed me when I came across the fact that the panty can last up to 12 hours and it is reusable for 100 times. After this, I have to add this in my cart. So here I have these two products with me. For the days when I have heavy flow, I have the Oh So Soft panty from Mahina. And for the days when I have super heavy flow and it is unmanageable, I have with me Everyday Hero, which is for your super heavy flow. Stretch is so good. Look at the size of this. It gives you such an amazing coverage. But guess what? They are providing you 4 variants, which means if you're someone facing light flow or even medium flow, then they have got a product for you as well. The main part is the fabric, which is literally a game changer. I have to keep up with my regular doctor visit, and at that time also I felt so comfortable in those panties. It is the first period bonded underwear. As you guys can see, it has this bonded thing which is available for the very first time in India. The idea behind this is to provide you a leak-proof protection. So you can be stress-free during your whole period time. I can easily wash it. I just have to rinse under cold water until the water comes out clean. And I can also wash it in a washing machine. The way these panties are designed, you will never feel like that you're wearing an extra layer. The fact that I don't need a separate underwear and a pad during my period because I have got one thing to cover for the whole situation, which is a period panty. Another idea that makes me feel so comfortable that I don't have to throw it every time I use it, just like my period pads, because it is eco-friendly. I can reuse it multiple times. This means that after wearing this panty from Mahina, I don't need any tampons or pads. Surprisingly, they are providing you 10 different colors. I have got myself a black and a nude one. You can choose it as per your preference. I've finally got a versatile option for my period, which I personally feel that every woman must use, and that's where I made the right choice. I also shopped it for my sister. Trust me, I've used it last month and I literally forgot what a pad is because I've got the most safest, leak-proof and comfortable option. So why wouldn't I switch? I believe you all who are literally struggling from periods must try this product. You can check out their website, which is mahina.co, and can let me know how your experience has been, because mine has been a super 10 on 10. So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.